Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we'll do single leg stretch using the wall.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So single leg stretch, yes, the mat single leg stretch is something you can do at the wall. You might not think it's possible, but the truth is that it's very revealing what's going on, and it really does force us to move our leg from our center, and I think you'll have a fun exploration figuring that out. A lot of people got really excited about wall Pilates in the recent past. And unfortunately, a lot of the exercises they were doing were not Pilates exercise at all. But Joe did give us several exercises at the wall to help us understand how to use the wall to get more out of our practice. And sometimes when you're on the floor working against gravity, you can feel exercises in your neck, or you could just do choreography. When you do it here at the wall and you're worried about sliding from one side to the other, you do have to use more muscles. And so it's quite revealing and also helpful, right? Typically, you would do single leg stretch from single leg circles. So your feet would be about a foot distance away from the wall. So if you're looking at this from the accessory flashcard deck from OnlinePilatesClasses.com, it's the same setup as the 100 roll-up single leg circles, all right? The head is going to be against the wall. For a lot of us, that means feeling like we're doing a double chin. Shoulders are at the wall, heart's at the wall, stomach muscles are taking up space, and then I'm just going to pull one knee up, grab it with my hands, give it a nice stretch, and then slide it down. And so the goal when I grab it with my hands is not bicep curl, but to use my elbows wide to find a row from the back and then reach it down. So the stomach muscles pull the leg up and the elbows pull wide as the arm back connection is helping me pull this leg into myself more. So it should feel like a row. If you find yourself sliding one side to the other, I would definitely check and make sure you're not locked out in your knees, not arching your back, and that you are standing in the hamstrings and the glutes. The leg lifting up is helping you lift it from your center, not just your hip flexors, right? I know a lot of people are like, the hip flexors lift, like, I know anatomy. The goal in Pilates is to be using your whole body. So how can you stand more in the standing leg and pull your stomach muscles in to help this leg come up even more from all the muscles in your body? And then when you grab that leg, can it be from the upper back as opposed to the biceps? If you have questions about this, feel free in the comments below. I love answering them on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. If you'd like a wall workout with me, check it out here on our channel.